Like stashing. She likes stashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
What's up, guys? When you see this face, you already know what time it is. It's time for the Gist Unplugged TV, and I am your host, Oyidamola. And of course, I'm here to give you all the all the gist, and I'm sure you're super excited because I am so gassed. So please sit back and enjoy all the and all the gist I have for you today. On the 1st of February 2020, Lagos State Governor Bada Sanwo-Olu placed a ban on motorcycles and tricycles plying major roads in Lagos State. We didn't feel the impact at the beginning because it was on a Saturday, but come Monday, Lagosians stood up to start shouting that this hardship is plenty, because many people tried to go to work on Monday morning and they could not get buses, and the buses they could get, the fares, were inflated. That's hey, Lagosians, they now packed their bata and started trekking like the days of Israel. It was really terrible. In Yoruba we say it was a bad day, devil drink water, because people trekked and the traffic was really bad. Now, a lot of people came out to say this decision is not actually fair on the part of the riders and also the commuters, because these people have people to feed, they have bills to pay, yet you took away their source of livelihood. And even the other commuters, the Lagosians, they rely on these motorcycles and tricycles to go about their daily activities. Then all of a sudden, without providing alternatives, they just came and yanked them off it, throwing them into a life of hardship. But trust Lagosians always find humor in everything. They now decided, okay, now since they have collect keke and okada in our hand, let's go back in time. Let's go to the olden days and go and bring all the horses in the Legoshi and Oniru Beach to come and start flying roads of Lagos. They probably thought it's Taxify and Uber. They now brought the horses to Lagos. They now say, horses that is going from this place to this place in Legoshi before. They now say the horse should be going from Yaba to Ikorodu. Hey, that's how one horse. I saw that video and I could not but cry. This horse now collapsed on the main road. Now, you know the one that amused me the most? Some women were now in the background shouting, pour water on the horse's head, give the horse pure water. Now, I have a question. Is it that the horse fainted? I don't understand. Why are you pouring water on the horse's head? Abi Kuku give the horse CPR, or better still, let's hear from the horse's mouth what the horse wants. It's still the Gist Unplugged TV. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Gist Unplugged TV, that program where we bring you #1 entertainment and #1 information, and of course, #1 amebo. So on to the next amebo of today. So remember, sometime in December, Davido's elder brother Adewale Adeleke got married to his half-rob in the traditional way. They now said, the white wedding, we're going to give it to you people. Hot. They now took it to Abu Dhabi, the capital of United Arab Emirates. Hey, I trust them to give you a show. We Nigerians that could not afford tickets, and even if we afford tickets, they did not give us invite. We now said we're going to watch everything live on social media. Trust me now, I bring you the gist. But Davido did not disappoint. Amidst all the rumor about him breaking his engagement with Chioma, he captured himself grabbing his wife, touching it and fondling it anyhow. Hey, that's my mom. Baba, if I ain't you King Bill out, it's not easy. Anyways, the popular attention seeker, Etinosa, we already know that kid. Where there is no drama, she always want to find drama. She always wants to look for trouble. She always look for attention. She now took to Instagram to comment on Davido's picture. Fuck this one. Fuck it. Fuck Kilo Day. What's your business? What's your... Oh, you'll be putting mouth in where they do not put your mouth. At the end of the day, you will tell no need. Trust Nigerians to attack her. Hey, Etinosa, stop this drama. Etinosa, go and find yourself a husband. Hey, sorry. I know I like looking for trouble too, but that's my work. Don't go anywhere. It's still the Gist Unplugged TV. On another episode of Basswood's Instagram, Akpororo, the comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, took to his Instagram page as a regular celebrity and posted his collection of shoes. Let's not lie, those shoes were plenty. They were plenty. That's how Nigeria VAR now started zooming into the shoe. They now say, hey, Akpororo, this your Adidas is not Adidas. He's Adidas, Abi Adidas and Dodo, Abi Adidas and Didi. Your Nike is sneaker. Your Puma is Pomo. If I were him, I would have just stayed in my lane. When you know you don't really have designers, all your shoes are Akube. You are now casting yourself. You are now posting your Akube on the gram. You know, the streets of Instagram are not smiling. They will come for you. Just be humble like me. If it's one Gucci you are, post the one Gucci. If possible, don't even post anyone at all. Nobody put deadline in your neck that by fire by force you must post. But anyway, it's still the gist on Plug TV. On to the next gist. Over the week, Temi Otedola, daughter of multi-billionaire Femi Otedola, posted everywhere that she was celebrating her 3 years anniversary with the love of her life, Mr. Easy. Personally, I know it is not my business, but what is not my business? I want to find out what is the jazz that Mr. Easy used and captured that girl. Because if you ask me, now who I go ask? Because at the beginning we thought, it's just one of those things they will do and pass and on to the next. But they have celebrated 1 year anniversary. They've celebrated 2 years anniversary. 3rd year anniversary, that's what they are celebrating. Before we know it, wedding bells ringing. I'm looking forward to that day, but I'm actually very happy for them. Congratulations to you both. Many, many more years in good health. On to the next gist. Controversial US-based rapper / political aspirant Speed Darlington's speedometer. He has given us another drama again. I want to know the person that supplies him his hard drugs, that gives him the confidence, that he uses to say a lot of rubbish. This guy took to his Instagram page again to shoot another video. In the video, he was addressing Tacha. Tacha of Big Brother Nigeria. And he said, Tacha, you wanna be my baby mama? If you were around when I came to Nigeria, I will have bought you clothes and shoes and jewelry. I will buy you gold of 90,000. So he said, basically, that Tacha Queen of Titans, should come and be baby mama to Speed Darlington. I don't know, but in the history of news, that's one news that I'm sure is gonna shock the whole world, because Tacha and Speed Darlington, it doesn't even add up in my head. It's still the gist on Plug TV. Before we wrap up on the gist with Plug TV, this one is to tell you guys to please stay safe of all the diseases that are flying about nowadays. Locally, we have the Lassa fever, the one that is caused by rats. Please and please, I am begging you people, do not leave your food uncovered. Then let's reduce the way we eat gari, because those people that make this gari, they spread it in open places, in bushes, and rats always have access to feast on these things. Eventually they deposit their urine and their other waste products, and these things cause Lassa fever. Please, I don't want to lose any one of us. Also, talking about diseases, we have had coronavirus on the breakout. This one is even very common. It originated in Wuhan, and let's thank God that it has not come to Nigeria yet. Even if we have a suspected case in Lekki, it has not been confirmed yet, but news has been flying around that there is a suspected case of coronavirus in Lekki. Presently, coronavirus has killed close to 420 people in China, and a lot of people, I think about 20,000 people, have been infected by this virus. This virus has spread as wide as Australia, Canada, Cambodia, and other places. Please and please, let's try to stay safe, and we are begging the government, so please try as much as possible to take measures to prevent these diseases from coming to Nigeria. But according to what I heard, China has restricted their visa. They're no longer giving Nigerians visa, and a couple of other countries. According to what I heard again, the cure has actually been found. But please, prevention is better than cure. It's better to prevent these things than to actually spend money curing it. So please, let's try to stay safe. I don't want to lose anybody. I don't want to lose any one of you. Please try to stay safe. Yes, that's all we can take on the Gist Unplugged TV. I wish to say more. I wish to tell you guys more, but I want to continue this conversation. But time, as they say, waits for no man. But of course, there are other episodes, and we are still going to be shooting more episodes. But before you go, please like this video, drop your comments, and subscribe to Vlog TV to get more and more gist. I still remain Oyedamola, your favorite Amebo partner, your host of Vlog TV. Till we meet again. Bye.
Like Dashi.